Your followers are not equal, and that's okay. Your followers are in different stages. Are you talking to the right one? Every follower is on a journey. The question is, where are they? If your content is not converting, you might be speaking to the wrong stage. We think followers are just numbers, but they are not. Every follower is in a different stage of awareness and connection with you. If you don't understand this, you will feel frustrated. You post consistently, you give value, but no one is buying your content. No one is engaging. Here's why. Stage 1, follower, the stranger. They just discovered you. They don't trust you yet. They are observing. They need clarity and simple value. Stage 2, follower, the silent follower. They watch your stories. They like but don't comment. They relate but they are unsure. They need connection and relatability. Stage 3 follower, the engager. They comment. They defend you in comment sections. They need deeper conversations and recognition. Stage 4 follower, the supporter. They share your content. They recommend you. They might be buying from you. They trust your message. Stage 5 follower, they advocate. They promote you without being asked. They talk about you, including your impact. They become part of your brand story. Most creators make one mistake. They try to sell to stage 1. They ignore stage 3. They forget to nurture stage 2. Growth isn't just about gaining followers. It's about moving people from stranger to advocate. So instead of asking, why aren't they buying my content? You ask, what stage are they in? And what do they need from me right now, my followers? That's when content starts converting.